Welcome back to Curiodexia, where curiosity cracks open the most bizarre theories and reveals the wildest corners of science and myth. Today's video? Oh boy. It's about one of the most mind-bending, reality-breaking ideas ever imagined, the hollow Earth theory. Yeah, you heard that right. Not flat Earth. Not cube Earth. Hollow Earth. A massive cavity beneath our feet, filled with mysteries, civilizations, and maybe even monsters. So, sit tight, because what you're about to hear will make you question everything you thought you knew about this blue rock we call home. Let's rewind the clock. It's the 1600s. A brilliant astronomer named Edmund Halley, the guy Halley's Comet is named after. He looked at the Earth's magnetic field and noticed it acted weird. Like too weird for a solid Earth. So he proposed something absolutely bonkers for his time. What if the Earth is made of multiple shells, like a Russian nesting doll, with empty space in between? But Halley's version was still kind of tame. Things got wilder in the 1800s when John Cleves Sims Jr., an ex-army officer turned full-time weirdo, took things up a notch. He believed there were giant holes at the North and South Poles portals leading inside the Earth. He even tried to convince the U.S. government to fund an expedition to go inside. Sadly, they passed. Probably thought he was trolling. The ancient Greeks talked about Hades. The Tibetans have Shambhala, a hidden city of advanced beings said to be underground. Even Native American Hopi legends mention beings who came from below during a time of global catastrophe. Now, let's mix in a little modern madness. Some Hollow Earth believers claim that Nazi Germany sent expeditions to Antarctica looking for an entrance into the inner Earth. And guess what? According to them, they found it. Some even say the Nazis built secret bases down there. Others go further and claim that UFOs, they're not from outer space, they're from inner space. You might be thinking, okay, but this is all clearly fantasy, right? We've mapped the Earth's structure. We've got seismic data, satellites, core samples, case closed. Well, yes and no. Seismology, the study of how earthquake waves travel, has given us a very detailed picture of the Earth's internal layers. There's the crust, the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. And yeah, they're solid and molten, not hollow. But here's the twist. We've never actually been past the crust. The deepest hole ever drilled, Drush's Kola super deep, borehole barely scratched 12 kilometers. That's not even 0.2% of the way to the center. Think about that. We claim to know the Earth's interior from indirect measurements, like judging the inside of a cake just by how it sounds when you tap on it. So is it really that crazy to question what's down there? Of course, mainstream science is confident. The data adds up. Gravity behaves predictably. Our models are pretty solid, pun, totally intended. But let's be honest, just because something is unlikely doesn't mean it's not fun to explore. And this is where the hollow Earth theory lives. Not in textbooks, but in our imagination. It's the ultimate what if. What if there's a thriving ancient civilization down there, living in harmony under a miniature sun? What if myths about Agartha or Shambhala have some truth buried deep literally? What if the Earth is hollow, and the truth has just been kept from us? At the end of the day, science is about curiosity. It's about asking questions of wild ones. The hollow Earth theory might not hold up under the microscope, but it's held a place in the human imagination for centuries. And that says something about us, about our hunger to discover, to dream, and to dig deeper. So what do you think? Is the hollow Earth just a cool story? Or is there something more lurking beneath the surface? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed diving down this rabbit hole, hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm doesn't bury us like the secrets of the inner world. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more strange, mind-blowing curiosity from Curiodexia. Till next time, keep wondering, keep asking, and maybe, just maybe, keep digging.